channel. Those of you who are new to the channel, thanks for joining us. Just a real quick recap of what we've been doing here. We had an enclosed porch and we found out that we had vaulted ceilings, looking really good. Part one, we took off the roof and got the insulation up. We managed to get the electrical in. We got started on the ceiling over here in back of me, and now we're going to stain. I can't wait to see how it comes out. My wife is working on an outdoor project. Let's come check it out. Good, huh? Looking good, hon. Looking good.
Guys, I'm tired. The chainsaw broke. My husband broke it. I'm not blaming myself. My husband broke it.
No.
Because I was bossing it and he broke it. And now I'm stuck doing it with this. But look it. I'm lost, I think, 10 pounds today.
Oh my God.
But I'm about to gain it back because I want burrito. So this is just a mess. The plan is to just clean this all up. Take out any stumps that we may have and then put, what is it, the
arborvitaes. What about azaleas, hon? I think those are
You don't want azaleas.
You don't want azaleas?
No, because we suck at taking care of plants.
We do.
Everything we do dies. So I'd rather just do something that there's no maintenance, and that's those trees that you were saying. And if I make them all die,
it's your fault.
Exactly. Therefore, I don't want no arbor or whatever that's called. I just want something that I don't have to take care of at all.
All right, so this being my first piece right here, I'm planning on having some LED lighting in here, the low profile one. So what I'm gonna do, make my cut, I'm gonna divide this in half. So 23 3/8. And that's gonna be my mark. Let's go. All right, so this is where my light is gonna go. I cut the lower one in half. Now my other one, I cut this according to what the template looked like. I'm gonna push this right in place. Just like that. Oh yeah, I think that's a winner.
Wait. Aren't you putting the light first?
No.
Why?
The wiring is already there, so it's a canless LED light. It's slimline, so this is gonna go clamp right. I'll cut this around a little bit for the light to go into. It's gonna pop right in place. That's right. That's how we do it around here. I like it. I like it. And there we go. Fits right in place. That's the way I like it. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. That should fall right in place.
Juliana, go close the door right now. Close the door right now.
Cut this.
What? Close the door right now because there's a lot of bees. Close the door.
I have to do a little cut. Be right back.
Got it?
We got it. Here we go.
All right, perfect does not exist here. Everyone makes mistakes. So I pointed something out to my husband that if you notice, these two pieces right here, they're pretty good lined up all the way down, but these last two pieces right here have, like, there's a gap right here. So it has gone up a little bit, if you guys can tell. So these look straight and this one looks a little bit higher than the other ones. And we don't want that because we obviously want it to be flush and look like it's one long piece once we put the beams in. So my hubby's gonna fix that now.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to redo this part. I was rushing a little bit too much in the very beginning because by the time I get to the top, it's gonna be way out of whack, way out of control, so you don't wanna fix that now. Yeah, slow down, Greg, slow down.
All right, baby, let me see.
There she be, right there.
There you go, that's so much better.
A lot better.
All right, guys, this is all the wood that we have left. So my husband said that he will stop working today once this wood is done. He has a few boards there left. Right, honey?
Yeah.
You're gonna finish off these boards and that's when?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish this up right here, go all to the top, and then we'll break for lunch.
Cool. Wow, this poor bee has been stuck. He's trying to get to outside. He's stuck.
Alright guys, my wife keeps interrupting me while I'm trying to work here up on the roof here because there's this dang bee. She's trying to get out the house.
No, I just wanted to, it's trying to go outside. I feel bad for it.
You want what?
I want to bring it outside.
Where's the bee at?
Right there.
Unbelievable. Let them pollinate. Do what they do.
Babe, it's right there in the house. How's that pollinating when it's stuck right there by itself? It keeps banging into a thing. Please.
Let's see what she's gonna do.
I don't want it to sting me. Wait, is there two there?
There's two of them. They think it's so big as you think it's two.
Ah! Snaps!
Snaps.
Oh, I'm so scared. Okay.
You got it?
I think I got it.
Took you all, what, 2 minutes?
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
I got it.
You got it.
I think I got his legs stuck
Alright.
though. Oh my god, I'm hurting him.
You chopped his legs off?
Shut up. Oh no, I didn't. Look, it's right there. You see how big it is?
Oh my god, look at that.
Alright, baby, go ahead. Go run free. There you go, buddy. Don't come back in because then your butt stay inside. Alright.
Good job, babe.
Alright.
Bye.
Almost done, then you get your burrito.
Golly, this is hard labor. I quit.
Then you won't get your burrito.
A burrito. Okay guys, this is day 500. It's been a crazy, crazy week. And look, my wife is just laughing in the background because she knows how crazy it's been.
Guys, we've been working. Well,
Crazy.
you've been working. He's been
Yes.
getting home super late and now he's about to tackle this project.
Yeah, so she don't want to be seen in the camera because it's early in this morning, but I'm going to give you a little, there she is right there. Hey babe, how you doing? So let me tell you, break down what we got going on here. So we've been going all the way up. We've managed to get our holes cut in for the recessed lights. We went all the way up, and as you see, I missed the top. So I have the top because I was putting in the down rod box, and I wired it all so it's ready for the down rod. And I'm going to make my way on down the other side today. Get that going. So, and then we're going to try to stain and get that complete. Let's get to it. Okay, now it's time to make room for this LED light. We're gonna measure out to make the hole cut. 12 and 3.5 for what I have here. Let's make that cut. There we go. Time to make that installation. And there you go.
Last board. You got this, boo boo. Sí se puede.
Got it. You got it.
Good job, honey.
Looking good.
You're gonna go through each.
First coat is on. First coat is on.
How do you feel?
Spent, done, hungry, ready to go.
Do you feel accomplished?
Oh yes. Yeah.
Guys, he's a hard worker. He doesn't like to stop. He likes to keep going till he
Listen,
finishes.
If we weren't going out to eat, I'd be hitting this electrical lights. I'm installing the lights in.
Oh my god, this looks so stunning.
Good ceiling fans that come down off of that box right there.
Yep.
Got my 4 lights here.
Ceiling fan's gonna go right there.
That's right. LED.
And then the can
LED
lights.
Yep. Then LED lights are going in. I'll probably install those when I get back.
Oh my God, you see this, guys? He does not like to stop. But you know what it is? There's nothing like seeing something you work so hard to be completed.
I know.
There's nothing like that.
It looks good too.
Yeah, it looks stunning.
It looks
I love
good
it.
right now. Maybe might put on a second coat. I don't think it really needs it. Maybe a touch up.
Yeah, you're right. I don't think it does, but I do think that the creases, there's obviously in between each crease, it needs to.
Yeah.
But other than that, it doesn't really need it. But I mean, whatever you decide.
Yeah. So over on this side right here, I think we want to do sheetrock, and don't worry about that little gap that you see at the top because the sheetrock is going to go straight up, and I'm going to put some trim along the end, and it's going to cover all that.
Yep. And then along this side, we're also thinking about possibly putting sheetrock, but my heart is still set on doing the what did I say to you?
Brick? Was it
The brick. My heart is so stuck on that, but I mean, it's cost effective. It's not cost effective. We obviously won't do it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
We'll see.
We shop for deals, so you never know what you may find.
Yeah, it's true. We can go to Restore and see if they have them.
All right, guys, the sun is almost going down. I managed to get the ceiling down. Woo! We are gonna put up the lights next week, and you'll see a whole lot more. This room is gonna really start to take shape next week. Stay tuned.